Previously evasive, former Bulacan 1st District Engineer Henry Alcantara changes his tune, rattling off some names before the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee who allegedly dipped into billions of pesos of flood control funds. He submitted a signed affidavit detailing his knowledge of corruption in public works projects. First, former DPWH Undersecretary Roberto Bernardo, his longtime boss, who he claimed downloaded funds to his office, which grew over the years and from which officials and lawmakers benefited.
Ang para sa proponent, 25% po at may advance ito na 5 to 15 na kalimitang hinihingi ni Yusek Bernardo kapag ganap na ang NEP base sa pagdinig sa Kamera del Representante. Samantala ang pondong na BICAM ay may advance payment na 5 to 10 na kalimitang hinihingi matapos ang deliberasyon ng BICAM at ang balansa ay babayaran pagbuo paglabas ng GAA.
Alcantara also tagged former Senator Ramon Revilla Jr. and Senator Joe Villanueva in the flood control mess.
Ayon kay Yusek Bernardo, ang GAA insertions ng 2024 na magkakalaga ng 300 para po 300 milyon na para kay, sabi niya po sa akin, para kay Senator Bong Revilla na noon ay kumandidato bilang senador para sa 2025. Taong 2022, yun nga po, nabanggit ko kanina, humiling Senator Joel Villanueva ng proyektong multipurpose building, kakalaga ng 1.5B. Sa halagang 1.5B ay 600 million lamang ang napagbigyan na pondo para sa multipurpose building. Hindi ito napagbigyan, kaya napilitan kaming gumawa ng paraan ni Yusek Bernardo. Hindi humingi ng partikular na proyekto o porsyento si Senator Joel, pero inutos ni Yusek Bernardo na bigyan na lamang ng proyekto na may katumbas na 150 million na proponent. Hindi po nila alam na doon galing yon sa flood control.
Alcantara also mentioned Senator Jingo Estrada but was quick to point out he did not directly transact with the lawmaker.
Tinanong ako ni Yusek Bernardo kung meron pa akong gustong lagyan at meron pang available na 355 si SJE. Ayon po kay Yusek Bernardo. Sabi ko po, boss, meron naman. Sagot ni Yusek Bernardo sa akin na ipasok ko agad sa kanyang listahan ng oras na yun.
Another personality named by Alcantara is a party list Congressman Zaldico, the former chairperson of the House Appropriations Committee, who was also implicated by his DPWH subordinate, Engineer Bryce Hernandez.